What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Like I just said on my last video, I just did an exhaust point of view video for my Subaru. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing for Vince's, and he's gonna get the point of view for you guys. Super quick rundown. 2007 Subaru WRX Hawkeye, of course, the most beautiful fucking WRX that's ever been made. He's got the Subi Rumble though. Catless J Pipe, he's stage 2 plus, but with a bigger turbo. Is 16G? 16G turbo, Catless J Pipe, or downpipe, all the way back to a single exit. I've never heard of this exhaust, but
NURR SPEC out.
I don't know, NURR SPEC.
BlitZ NURR SPEC out.
Yep. Yeah, it sounds really good though. So Vince is already all geared up, point of view shots for him. I'm gonna stand out here, get some shots just like that. If you haven't seen my other video, I'll link it right up here in your top left corner, top right corner. So yeah, go check it out. Let's get started on this point of view for the 2007 Subaru WRX. Let's go. Need a ride.
That fucking brake is so annoying. Yeah.
We're being a lot more efficient on this one.
Yeah. Well, it's a lot easier being able to do one dude and then do the whole thing over again. Like,
yeah,
it goes a lot faster when it's all planned.
Yeah. Yep. I was gonna toss my leg out, hike my leg up. All right. Hell yeah.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need new brakes after this.
You already do.
I know. I definitely do now.
I want to change mine too. Yeah, I definitely said that I wasn't gonna talk, but there's gonna definitely be some talking. I don't know if I'll put this in there, but
Right.
yeah. Hell yeah.
I didn't do a whole lot of talking when I had the mic on.
I didn't either. I think I did a couple little times, but
hopefully it turned out okay. I know my car's not near as loud as yours, but hopefully it still sounds good.
your car sounds really good. It's got that Subi Rumble,
yeah.
So yeah, it's good. booty.
Hot toddy.
All right. Go ahead and start my car and get the AC on. Because it's like a sauna. It's like a sauna. Alrighty guys, that is the video, the point of view shots for Vince. Dude, thanks a lot for doing that again.
Thank you.
Hopefully it turned out alright. I haven't edited the video, so hopefully you guys liked it. If you guys did, please hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already too, make sure to follow him on Instagram. I'll leave his Instagram handle right here. Black Mamba WRX.
Yeah,
he changes it every 5 minutes anyways, but yeah, right now it's Black Mamba WRX, but there's like underscores in between each word,
right.
I think.
I had to change stuff. I shouldn't use my fucking name originally for my Instagram.
Right. You guys were blowing them up on Facebook and stuff, and that's like personal stuff for us, so
yeah.
we try to just YouTube and Instagram. Mine's Rex and Ryan and Black Mamba WRX. So cool. Yeah, so if you guys like the video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Until next time guys, keep grinding. Peace.